Hello. Today I'm unboxing with you this TV wall mount for TVs and computer monitors from 23-inch to 42-inch size. This TV wall mount costs around $20 and is a good budget option for mounting your TV on the wall. This wall mount also has a tilt function and a payload of up to 35 kilograms. But for now, let the music play, and let's see what we get in the package for $20. If you have any questions, feel free to write below this video.